In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social Competitive Analysis. Competitive analysis in Sprout Social helps you understand where you stand by comparing your social performance, things like audience growth, engagement, and overall content effectiveness, against your key competitors. The most direct way to do this is with the Competitor Performance Report, which benchmarks your profiles alongside others across Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter. To get started, open Sprout Social and head to Reports. From there, go to the Cross-Network section and select Competitor Performance. This view brings multiple networks into one place so you can see the bigger picture instead of hopping between individual channels. Next, set your date range. Choose a period that aligns with your goals or campaigns, such as the last 30 days for recent performance, or a quarter if you want a broader trend. Keeping the same date range when you revisit this report later makes it easier to spot changes and seasonality. Now add your own profiles and your competitors' profiles. Include the main brand accounts that are most relevant to your audience and industry. For clean comparisons, try to pair similar types of profiles across networks, brand to brand, product to product. If you operate on multiple networks, add those for both you and your competitors so the benchmarking remains apples to apples. Use the filters to focus on the metrics that matter most to your strategy. Followers average gives you a sense of audience size and reach potential across the selected profiles. Engagement average helps you see how much interaction content is getting in total, likes, comments, shares, and other actions over the chosen period. Engagement per post normalizes performance by post volume, which is useful if one competitor publishes far more content than another. It highlights quality and resonance rather than just quantity. As you compare, look for gaps. A strong audience but low engagement can signal a need for more compelling formats, while high engagement per post with a smaller audience might indicate content worth amplifying. When you're ready to share your findings, export or schedule PDF or CSV reports. PDFs are great for quick, visual summaries in meetings or client updates. CSVs are ideal if you want to dive deeper, build custom charts, or combine results with other data sources. Scheduling reports on a weekly or monthly cadence keeps your team aligned and saves time on manual pulls. That's it. With consistent use, this report turns competitive insights into practical actions, helping you refine your content, set realistic targets, and track progress over time.